CARA is simply impressive. The lightweight mask has a soft and snug mask cushion, a small, quiet, and diffuse exhalation system, and many other details that make life easier. Before you can put on the mask, you have to loosen both clips. Grasp the mask with one hand while the other holds the headgear on the back of your head. Pull the straps over your head and place the mask on your nose. Fasten the right clip and then the left. To fit the headgear to your head, first loosen the upper hook and loop tabs on both sides. Pull the tabs backwards at the same time until the mask sits comfortably and not too tight. In most cases, the upper portion of the forehead support lies lightly or not at all on the forehead. Finally, you can tighten the lower straps by pulling them backwards. If the rotating sleeve is still on the mask, remove it and insert it in the tube. Connect the tube to the mask and lie down on the bed. With the newer version of CARA, you can adjust the cross strap on the head in such a way that the lower straps do not sit too close to the earlobes. To do so, loosen both hook and loop tabs. For a small head, pull the tabs apart, and for a large head, push them together. With these options, you can adjust the size of the headgear ideally for your head circumference. Make sure that the lower straps do not touch your earlobes, but lie loosely under them. If the mask is not airtight or it presses on your face while you're lying down, readjust the headgear. You naturally move around while you sleep, but your mask remains securely on your face and does not cause any leaks because it has a ball and socket joint. This part can rotate 360 degrees and swivel in all directions. This all-round movement prevents the mask from slipping out of place. A cone-shaped socket on the forehead support helps you to identify quickly the top and bottom of the mask cushion. It will accept only the counterpart on the cushion, so it's impossible to assemble the mask incorrectly. Insert the counterpart into the conical part and press the mask cushion onto the mask frame. To remove the cushion, simply pull it backwards. An ideal fit of the headgear is very important for treatment. To make it easy for you to assemble the headgear correctly, the upper inner area is teal-colored. The company name is in the middle on the outside, and the clips are underneath. On the upper portion of the mask, you'll see two different ways to fasten the headgear to the mask. We recommend that you push the headgear over the slits on the side without opening the hook and loop tabs. Then, your personal ideal setting will always be maintained. You may choose, however, to use the permanently assembled variant in the middle. To do so, loosen the tabs and thread them through the opening. The plastic parts of the forehead support can be separated easily to allow thorough cleaning. Hold the forehead support in one hand and the mask frame in the other. Rotate the forehead support from 12 o'clock to 11 o'clock and pull apart the two mask parts. If you want to connect the mask to the tube, simply push the tube onto the rotating sleeve up to the edge. Later, when you want to loosen the mask from the tube, just pull the rotating sleeve from the mask. We recommend that you clean CARA every day. To do so, take apart the headgear, mask cushion, and all plastic parts. Wash all the parts separately in warm water with a mild detergent. Cleaning the headgear just once a week is sufficient. Rinse all parts thoroughly with clear running water. During the day, allow all parts to air dry in a place protected from direct sunshine. We also recommend that you clean all mask parts, except for the headgear, once a week in the dishwasher. Place the disassembled mask in the upper rack with other tableware. You may use any cleaning program. This type of cleaning very effectively removes grease, sweat, or skin creams from the mask materials. CARA impresses with its lightness. During the night, you do not feel at all that you're wearing a mask. Even a standard chicken egg weighs more than CARA. The exhalation system from CARA emits your exhaled air so diffusely that neither you nor your bedmate are disturbed. The air leaves CARA on the sides of the mask and can be felt only at significantly higher pressure, as you can see clearly in the whirling of the little pinwheel.